agile trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So it is taking some time. Okay, so today is 24th of September 2020 and time is 9:33 a.m. Now coming on to our watch list. So traders, today we are having BPCL, Gale, Hindalco, IndusInd Bank, JSW Steel and Tata Motors in our watch list. Okay traders, so I will be watching chart of each stock, and when I will get any opportunity to trade, I will update you. So now I am pausing the video. So traders, this is the chart of Bank Nifty index, and as you can see here, the market is staying sideways, and also because it is Thursday today. So today I am thinking that I can practice option selling. So I am trying to do a paper trade of option selling. Now let me explain you the setup which I am using. So traders, as you can see here, by using the previous data of the Bank Nifty, okay, here is the resistance, okay, and this is the support line, okay traders. So for a Bank Nifty, it is hard to break this resistance or this support, okay traders, in a single day. And since today is Thursday, so we will sell options. Now coming on to this, so traders, this is my account on Semco, and here we can see the trading points or LTP at which the options are there. So as you can see, I have drawn resistance as 21,500 and support of 20,000. So we will sell both these options. So first we will sell 20,000 put. As you can see here traders, it is now trading with 0.90 paise, okay traders. So it is, now we will place our limit order with 0.95, okay. So as you can see here, since it is paper trading, I have made an Excel sheet in which I write the price at which I have executed, okay trader. So for 20,000 put, our quantity will be 25, and now I am placing, suppose I am placing the order of limit order with 0.95 price, okay traders, and our target will be 0.55 and the stop loss will be 20. Now you will be thinking that why stop loss is 20. Let me first place the order and this paper trading, then I will tell you. So as you can see, I have placed the order with 0.95 limit and it is trading with 1 or 0.95. So our order has been executed for 25 and our target and stop loss was also decided, okay traders. Now coming on to 21,500 call, it is trading with price 3.60, okay. So I will place order with 3.60 as limit order. So my quantity is 25, selling price with limit order 3.60. My target will be here, one rupee, and my stop loss will be same, 20. So 3.60 is our limit order. Now let us come here, okay, it is trading with 3.60, okay, now it came. So our order has been now placed with 21,500 call, okay traders. So now we are in the trade. Since it is a paper trading, we are supposing that we have entered into the trade, and at the time we came was 9:57 a.m, okay trader. So we will now write down that the time at which we entered into the trade entry will be 9:57. traders. So this is our trade entry. Now coming on to our chart. So as you can see here also, it is now going sideways, and I hope that our trade will be perfect. So traders, as we are now in the trade, okay, and this is our watch list, okay. So our order has been placed and everything is now done. Now what we have to do is to leave our order with a target and our stop loss, okay traders. Now what we will do, now we will close all this and we will see the price at 1:30 am. We will exit the trade at 1:30 am, at which price it is now, it will be moving, or we will see if our target or stop loss has been. So now we are leaving our trade with a target or stop loss, and when it will hit any, I will update you. And I am not going to look at this since I have placed both target and stop loss. So I will be watching at 1:30 am. Okay guys, so I will update you. So traders, welcome back. Let me show you the time. It's 5:39 p.m. Sorry for some delay, and also it's raining outside, so there is some kind of noise, so please avoid it. And okay, now coming on to our today's trade. So traders, as you can see here from our Excel sheet, our both options were for sale. And now coming on to here, as you can see here, 2000 put is now 0.05 paise, and 21,500 call is now of 15 paise. Okay traders, so this was our today's trade. Hope you understood, as I have already told you the logic. And traders, let me show you this thing. The high of 21,500 call was 19.90 today, you can see here. So our stop loss got just survived by 0.10 paise only. But since we were knowing that price cannot reach within our options, okay traders, and our stop loss was also good. And as you can see, it has now become 0 both here, okay traders. Now let's calculate our profit today. So we were having what 0.95 for 2000 put, and which target was 55 paise, okay traders. So 0.95 minus 0.55 is equals to 0.4 40 paise, okay traders, sorry. So it was 0.40 paise and the quantities were 25. So as you can see at only 10, but we are not trading in large number of lots, so it's okay, we are just paper trading. So 10 profit from here. And now coming on to our call, so it was 3.621 and the target, so 2.6, okay traders. So 2.6 points were from our 21,500 put, and our quantities were 25, so 65. So 65 from call and 10 rupees from put. You can see here traders, so our today's total profit is equals to plus 10 is equals to 75. So this was our today's profit. Hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed it. Thank you for watching the video, and sorry for that delay. So have a good night.